Welcome to our channel. If you want to cast Prime Video content from your mobile device or computer to your TV using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up and stream your favorite shows. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast device is properly connected to your TV and powered on. Make sure both your Chromecast and the device you are casting from are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Download and open the Prime Video app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in with your Amazon account credentials if you are not already signed in. Step 3. Browse or search for the movie or TV show you want to watch on Prime Video. Tap on it to open the detail page. Step 4. Look for the cast icon, which appears as a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves in the corner. This icon is usually located in the top right corner of the app. Step 5. Tap the cast icon and a list of available devices will appear. Select your Chromecast device from the list to establish the connection. Step 6. Once connected, tap the play button on the video. The content will start streaming on your TV through Chromecast while your mobile device acts as a remote control. Step 7. Use your mobile device to pause, play, adjust volume, or skip forward and backward in the video. You can also browse for other content without interrupting playback. Step 8. To stop casting, tap the cast icon again and select Stop Casting or Disconnect. The video will stop playing on your TV and you can close the Prime Video app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.